In this video, we are going to show how to keep a window always on top in Windows 11. First, go ahead and download PowerToys from the link in the description box below. After the installation, open PowerToys from the Start menu. Then, move to the Always on Top section from the left sidebar. To test the feature, select a window and press the Windows and T keys simultaneously, and that window will be pinned on top right away. To turn it off, press the same shortcut, and you are done. By the way, you can also pin multiple windows on top. In case you don't like the big, bold borders around the window, you can disable it from PowerToys. Toggle off the Show a Border Around the Pinned Window feature. There is also an option to change the hotkey, disable the sound, and add apps to be excluded from pinning on top. Like and share the video if this trick helped you, and subscribe to Guiding Tech for more tips and tricks like these. Also, don't forget to check out these videos we think you might like and enjoy.